Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Scorpio placements. This is your short love reading para sa buwan ng April. So, check natin yung person on your mind. So, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Yeah, para lagi tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And yes, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganon rin pagdating kay Perception of Light and sa mga naghahanap ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po tayo pwedeng mag-message. And syempre, yung ating mga items is all available. Yung ating protection from evil eye, si love bracelet, si grunter necklace, and yung ating pang cord cut is all available. Okay? And syempre, yeah, don't forget yung dalawang YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Yes, paki na lang. Opo, paki-follow, paki-subscribe. Thank you. Oh, yung isa po ay yung ating second YouTube channel, Love Letter. And yung isa naman is about animals. Oo, sa kapatid ko po yun. Oo, so, yeah. Kung pwede lamang. Okay, about animals. Rescuing animals, yeah. Isa he's an animal lover, o diba? Oo, sa mga animal lovers dyan. Oo. Okay. So, thank you. Let's start the reading, Scorpios. So, who's the person on your mind? The person on Scorpio's mind? Who is this? Who is this? Anong meron sa kanya, Scorpio? The Four of Wands. You see stability with this person. You want forever. You want a long-term connection with this person, I think. Some of them, they're stable. Yeah, they're stable. Sana wala itong kakomit ngayon. Sana wala itong connection na meron, no, sa ngayon. I don't know. Some of you, pwedeng ikaw ang kakonect. Let's see. What's with this Four of Wands? The Hermit. Scorpio, kamusta ka? Ito yung taong sabihin natin ginugusto mong makasama habang buhay, pero bigla na lang nawala. Bigla na lang nawala. Now, you're in despair, you're sad, you're depressed, some of you. I'm so sorry. May nangyaring ganito sa'yo. You're searching for this person, hindi kayo magkausap nito ngayon. Ay, this is sad, Scorpio. Ang aga. Yes. Some of them, they ghosted you. Yeah. Maraming naparealize sa'yo itong taong to. Maraming naituro sa'yo. I feel sad, Scorpio. I feel sad. Nung nawala tong taong to, parang, oh no, ayoko na. Parang ganon. Nakakalumbay. Okay, so, anong meron sa situation? Anong kailangan mong malaman, Scorpio? Okay, so you have to move forward. You need to move forward. Chariot. You need to move forward. The Magician in reverse. Don't fight the current. Huwag mong labanan si universe sa mga ginagawa niya, sa mga nangyayari ngayon sa sitwasyon ninyo. Huwag mong hayaang labanan. Ikaw lang din ang mahihirapan. Okay? Just go with the flow. Ang sinasabi dito. Just go with the flow. Yeah, the Page of Pentacles is here. Hindi malabong iba sa inyo. Talagang parang natitigilan sa ngayon. Kumusta ka? Are you still okay? Doing good? Doing fine? Saan maging okay ka, Scorpio? So we have here Cancerian, Virgo, and fire sign. So what is your emotion right now for you? What is your emotion right now? Hindi ko na para, may bulong sa akin, tingnan ko daw kung bakit umalis, kung bakit lumayo. Ayoko. Oo, kasi kanya-kanya rin naman to eh. Iba't iba tayo, iba't iba kayo ng situation. Okay? Let's see, what is your emotion right now for you? The 5 of Swords in reverse. And 10 of Cups. They're sad like you. They're sad. 7 of Wands, the Sun. Kung malungkot ka, malungkot rin siya. I think you're mirroring each other. Or sabihin natin there's this strong connection. Yeah, the 4 of Wands. This is strong. Hindi malayo sa iba sa inyo nun, naging matagal kayong magka-connect. Tapos biglang nawala. Biglang naalis. I don't know, some of you, itong taong to is sumakabilang buhay. Okay? So, your feelings is, yeah, they're sad. Kung ikaw malungkot, malungkot din to. Kaya kung ikaw, meron kang sabihin natin, yeah, person na sumakabilang buhay na dapat maging okay ka na. Kasi, pwedeng nakikita ka rin niya na malungkot, hindi siya makakalayo. Malulungkot rin siya, hindi kanya iiwan. Mahirapan siya. Okay? So, marami pang kailangang mga sabihin, marami pang kailangang ipaliwanag dyan sa side na yan. Pero, yeah, hindi ko na para sabihin din. Anyway, yeah, there's this blockage. Yeah. You want this, the 3 of Cups. Siyempre, kinakailangan nyo isa't isa. Gusto nyo ng pagbabalikan, pagkakaayos sa inyo. Pero, I think, some of you, there's this blockages. Kanya-kanyang blockages. Kanya-kanyang issues. You're sad. Feeling incomplete without you. You're sad. Pero, they're fighting it. The 5 of Swords in reverse. They're fighting it. Okay? What is their next action towards you, Scorpio? What is their next action? The Page of Wands. Okay. That's nice. The Tower. Oh! Unexpected. Unexpected. Some of you, mas bata sa'yo to, Scorpio. Or ikaw. Or yeah, there's this age gap. Age difference. Itong taong to gagawin kang motivation, Scorpio. Ginagawa kanyang motivation. To move forward. Okay? You know. To move forward. They're watching you. They are watching you. They're stalking you. Okay? I don't know. Some of them, they're just like watching tarot readings. No? Opo. So, again, sabi ko nga, kapag may nagsabi ng block na po yan, ganito, ganyan, na hindi ko na po nakakausap whatsoever, I don't sabihin nating hindi ko para tanggapin yung mga ganong energy, yung mga ganong dahilan. Okay? Now, tulad mo, kunyari, block ka, paano ka ba nag-stalk? You're watching tarot reads. This is stalking. Okay? This is a way of stalking. Kung hindi mo makita, syempre, gagawa ka ng paraan. Okay? Hindi lang po sa FB, hindi lang po sa ganito, masasabing block, hindi po yun dun, okay? Huwag tayong maliit, huwag tayong maliit mag-isip, huwag tayong makitid mag-isip. Lawakan natin, okay? Lawakan natin. Anyway. So, ginagawa kong motivation ng taong to. Gagawin kang motivation. Gugustuhin rin niya na magkaroon ng bago sa buhay niya. Not bagong person. New chapter, I guess. The Page of Wands. Wanting na magkaroon ng improvement or progress. Okay. So, yeah. They still need you. Let's see. Ano ba ang Potential outcome ninyo ngayong April. 5 of Cups. This is moving on. Okay? Moving on. And yeah, the 3 of Swords. Moving on. Fighting. Okay? This is healing energy. Yeah, the Star in reverse. Okay? So this is healing. A big healing process ang mangyayari. The Hanged Woman, the Hanged Man. Yeah, hindi naman sinasabi dito na na labanan mo kasi mas mahihirapan ka. Na wala tong taong to, hindi mo kailangan na maghintay, hindi mo kailangan na maghanap. Just go with the flow. Si Universe ang gumawa nito. Yeah. Si Universe. Minsan lakas din ang trip niyan ni Universe. Okay? Kanya-kanya, kayo ng sitwasyon, kung bakit to umalis, bakit nawala, bakit may nangyaring separation or what, ginost ka. Kanya-kanya yan. Meaning to say, may chance na, hindi kasi natin alam, na yung ibang tinatanggal ni Universe, mga tao, sitwasyon sa buhay mo, kaya nila tinatanggal yan kasi hindi na kayo magka-level. Hindi na kayo magka-frequency. May mga taong nandyan, nagstay, kasi magka-frequency kayo, magka-level kayo, ganun po. Okay? So, ito si person ni Scorpio, medyo bumababa or medyo tumataas. So, tatanggalin ko to dito. Para may mag-grow. Para may makarealize. Para may matuto. Parang ganun po. Okay? So, yeah. Sinasabi dito, just go with the flow. You don't need to fight the current na ibinibigay ni Universe kasi ikaw lang din ang mahihirapan at mapapagod at masasaktan if ever. So, just go with the flow. Healing. Ang kailangan mong gawin ngayong April. Moving on. Mahirap to. Actually, this is so hard. The Star in reverse. Pagbibigay muli sa sarili mo ng direction kasi ganun ang ginagawa niya. Okay? This is not sabihin nating next action towards you. No. This is their plans pagdating sa sarili nila. The Tower is still here. Kung makikita nyo, magkalayo pa rin. Ibang direction. Gusto nito, magkaroon ka rin ng direction sa buhay mo tulad ng ginagawa niya. Okay? So, yeah. Pero itong taong to, kinikip ka pa rin actually. While moving on, while healing, they're, still keeping you. Yes. Importante ka. Naging importante ka Naging special ka para sa kanya. So, totoo lang. Okay. So, this is heavy. Yeah, Scorpio. This is heavy. This is deep. Strong connection though. Yeah. So, tayo tumungo na sa all signs. Aries through Pisces. Okay. So, the sign you're dealing with or dealt with. Let's see. Aries. Okay. They like you. They're attracted. Taurus. They're watching you. They like you. Yeah. Gemini. Physically attracted. Cancer. They still need you. They're sad actually. Codependency. Check. With this Cancerian. So, Leo. They don't know what to do. There's no improvement. No progress. Virgo. Hindi pa nakaka-move on si Virgo. Libra. Oh, they're a player. Okay, they're a player. They're just playing you. Scorpio. Committed. They want commitments. Their eyes is sa'yo lang nakafocus. Sagittarius. Sabihin natin, there's a lot of delays, a lot of procrastination sa nangyayari. Lalo na pagdating sa pamemera ng taong to. Sa improvement, sa progress, wala rin. Okay? Capricorn. So, si Capricorn, they feel contented. Oo. Feeling contented. Feeling happy. Parang ganon. Yeah, with you. Aquarius, they want to be with you. Gusto ka lagi nitong kasama, kausap, ka-flirt. Pisces, taking risk. Okay, some of them, they're just waiting for an opportunity para makalapit sa'yo. Itong si Pisces. Yeah, waiting. So there, yun ang akin nakikita for you, Scorpio placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.